testy, testy, testy.
They always look so well. Come on, Kush. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. All right.
Just the way you are. When you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
I'm gonna get to. It's relative. Ellie and George. Swing as high as you could and then dive down and do do as many spins as you could.
What are you going to use that for?
I have a YouTube channel on traveling. Hi, Rami. What are you shopping today? What are you shopping? Oh, Rami knows. Being filmed.
You're getting shy. You're getting camera shy.
I can see the blush.
No jumping. No joke. She tried jumping up with here and then was like, oh, I can't stand. I know, but this is the wrong jump to me today. No. Hey, hey.
Stay. Hey, sit. 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 Hey, sit. Stay. Sit. You're being cheeky. She's too excited.
Sit down. Hey, just chill. What do I do?
Oh, I will leave the expert.
Sit down. Sit. I'm sorry, love. You walked here. You wouldn't
Our
think.
Huskies, the big reason we started our business was the Husky sort of thing, it's more relaxed and it's like, we found that it's less about the walk, but more about
Oh, yeah, come and see me.
Come on, we'll feed you before you go.
smelling it.
Oh, and come and see me before you leave.
Yeah, we'll feed you before you walk around.
6 months old.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Thanks, River.
Hi.
Super gentle.
Oh, let me keep you.
Great coat though.
This is my business card. So I do dog walking. So I put them with 3 or 4 other dogs who fit their age, their personality.
Yeah.
We go on it. We go through the push, we go.
They're all a bit too big over there.
So for safety next
These guys yours, or are they up for adoption? She's mine. She's a foster, so she's not quite ready for adoption yet. But in about a month, she will.
Alana, up for adoption in a month. Up for adoption in a month.
Cute dog. You want them over here? Yeah, I know.
Still together, still going strong. Still the one, still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I run for life. Still the one, you're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ain't nothing better. Still the one, still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss goodnight.